Every day, tens of thousands of tank container accessories withstand pressure, temperature changes, corrosion, and long-distance transport. Every safe delivery depends on reliable key accessories. Sunpass helps unseen tank container accessories protect the safety of global transport. 50 years heritage. In 1979, the founder, Mr. Suji Pham, began focusing on the manufacture of sealing accessories. In 2000, the second-generation MS Suinia founded Sunpass, giving China-made tank container accessories a brand identity of their own. Sunpass, a national high-tech enterprise with nearly 50 years of experience, boasts more than 30 self-developed patents. From single seal to full tank and container solutions, we grow from made in China to serve the world. Today, Sunpass runs a Yuan Lanten Pinfengmi modern production base with 170 staff and an annual output of over 1.5 million sets. Equipped with complete functional departments, Sunpass has also established centers for R&D, quality testing, and global marketing. As an ITCO member, follows international standards to make every critical seal worthy of trust. All in-house production. The manlid gasket is a core sealing at the top of the tank container. Through material selection, structural design, and process control, Sunpass helps tank container seals maintain stable performance under changes in pressure, temperature, and media. For different media and transport requirements, Sunpass can provide a range of options, including food contact material solutions. The Super Tank Lid Seal combines the elasticity of EPDM with the chemical resistance of PTFE, performing reliably under extreme temperatures, strong acids, and alkalis. Even when operating conditions are stable, Sunpass always prepares to a higher standard. For encapsulated O-rings, Sunpass sets high standards for materials, interfaces, molding, and encapsulation precision. This ensures that every product leaving the factory can stand up to real operating conditions. PTFE gaskets require stable materials, precise dimensions, and reliable batch consistency. With multiple product specifications and stable supply capabilities, Sunpass meets the diverse needs of customers. Thermometers and pressure gauges make temperature and pressure changes during tank container operation visible and measurable. Sunpass provides not just individual products, but a more complete support system for tank container accessories. Fast lead times. Today, Sunpass operates manufacturing facilities in Ningbo and a regional hub in Singapore. Digitally integrated dual bases enable local inventory, rapid feedback, and fast global delivery through our full digital supply chain. Reliable seals. Some accessories are rarely seen again after they are installed. Sunpass, for nearly 50 years, it has focused on one thing: reliable seals, securing industrial safety.